Hi, this is Alejandro Martinido, and this is a tutorial on how to build a lilybot.
So before we get started, we will need to make sure that we have all the components. First, we will need 12 10mm screws, 4 25mm screws, 2 6mm screws. We will also need 2 wheels, 2 motors, and 2 motor mounts, the 2 caster wheels, and we'll also use the top and bottom chassis, as well as 4 standoffs, an Arduino chip, a battery holder with a strap, and finally 2 mini breadboards.
Alright, so the first step is going to be to attach the standoffs with screws to the bottom. So we're going to put one standoff on each of the 4 corners and make sure it's on the side that says lilybot and the batteries and the wheels, and not on the other one. And we'll be using 10mm screws for this. Next, we are going to attach the batteries. We're going to need the batteries and the strap. So, place the batteries there, and then we're going to lace it with the small side through one of the holes, and then the big one through the other. And then we're going to flip it and tighten it on the back. Next, we're going to attach the wheels. So first, we'll put in the wheel attachments, and I'm going to make sure that they're pointing forward. So the screw holes need to end up pointing opposite from the letters. So if the letters are that way, these screw holes need to be on the opposite direction. On the right side, the screws are going to be on the outside, and then twist 90 degrees until you feel it's attached. And then on the other side, the screws are going to be pointing inside, and then we're going to twist again clockwise 90 degrees until it gets attached. You should feel that they're pretty tight once you get to that position. Next, we're going to attach the motors, and we just gotta make sure that the cables are pointing inwards instead of outwards, and we're gonna be using the 25mm screws for this. And then finally, you just press fit the wheels in each one of the sides. Now we're going to turn it upside down to attach both of the caster wheels. These are the caster wheels, and we'll be using 2 10mm screws for each one, so a total of 4 10mm screws. And that is the bottom of the lily ball completed. Now we're going to focus on the top. Now for the top part, we're going to attach first the ulna tip. And I recommend you attaching one screw on its diagonal, since that's going to make it more secure. And we're going to be using the 6mm screws for this. Then we're going to stick the breadboards. Finally, we will attach the top part of the lily bud to the bottom using 4 10mm screws, one on each of the corners. And that is the lily bud fully completed.